Want to save time with gadgets most people haven't even heard of? These Amazon finds are packed with clever ways to speed up everyday tasks, cut out the hassle, and make life at home run a whole lot smoother. From hidden gems to seriously useful time savers, these are the kinds of gadgets you'll wish you found sooner. All products are linked in the description below. Meet the robot that doesn't just clean, it actually helps. This vacuum has a built-in arm that can move small items like socks or tissues out of its way before cleaning. With 22,000 pascals of suction, it lifts dirt and debris from carpets, wood, and tile with ease. It maps your whole home, then dodges cables, furniture legs, and clutter automatically, so nothing gets stuck or knocked over. Its mop washes itself in hot water and dries with warm air, keeping things fresh without any effort from you. At just over 3 inches tall, it slides easily under couches and beds where dust likes to hide. And thanks to automatic dust emptying, you can go weeks without lifting a finger. This isn't just a vacuum, it's practically a helper. Say goodbye to bulky drying racks eating up your floor space. This clothes dryer mounts right on your ceiling, staying out of the way until you actually need it. With a simple remote, you can raise or lower it whenever laundry day comes around. It holds up to 110 pounds, so there's plenty of room for a full load of clothes. Built from aluminum and steel, it resists rust and holds up far longer than ordinary racks. Whether your ceiling is wood, gypsum, or solid concrete, it can be installed almost anywhere. It works just as well on a balcony as it does indoors. Compact, sturdy, and completely out of sight, it turns awkward laundry days into a breeze. Wet shoes the next morning? Not anymore. This dryer's ports stretch and bend, reaching deep inside boots to dry them from the inside out. The rack folds a full 180 degrees, so it fits shoes, boots, and gloves of nearly every size. Warm air rises gently, drying your footwear in just 1 to 2 hours without making a sound. A built-in timer shuts it off automatically after 2 hours, saving energy and letting you set the perfect drying time for each item. It works for sneakers, ski boots, hunting gear, and more, making it useful well beyond just your everyday shoes. Compact and simple to use, it's the easiest way to start your day with warm, dry footwear waiting for you. Clutter doesn't stand a chance against this one. These stackable bins give you 4 tiers of storage, perfect for crafts, clothes, or anything piling up around your home. Each bin opens 2 ways. Lift the lid from the top, or swing open the magnetic front door for quick access without unstacking everything. It folds flat when you don't need it, so there's no bulky assembly and nothing to install. Sturdy plastic construction means it holds up well over time, whether stacked full or used as a single bin. Wheels on the bottom let you roll it wherever you need it, with locks to keep it steady in place. Simple, roomy, and endlessly useful. It's a smarter way to organize almost anything. Moving heavy furniture alone used to mean straining your back. Not with this tool. Just use the built-in lever to lift one corner, slide a wheel underneath, and repeat for all 4 corners. Once it's up, you can roll couches, cabinets, or even fridges across the room with barely any effort. It's rated to hold up to 330 pounds, so it handles serious weight without trouble. The handle is designed to be comfortable and steady in your grip, keeping heavy lifting safe for just one person. Wheels made from durable plastic glide smoothly, protecting your floors from scratches and dents along the way. Compact enough to store away when you're done. It's a simple fix for a job that used to take 2 people. An hour of scrubbing turned into 30 minutes flat. That's what this spin scrubber does for your cleaning routine. Its motor spins at up to 450 revolutions per minute, blasting through soap scum, grime, and grout buildup with barely any effort from you. Choose between two speeds depending on how tough the mess is. It's fully waterproof, so you can rinse it right under the tap without a second thought. The handle extends up to 45 inches, letting you reach tubs, floors, and ceilings without bending or kneeling. That's a real relief for your back and knees. A digital display shows exactly how much battery you have left, and one charge keeps it running for up to 90 minutes. With 4 brush heads included, it's ready for the bathroom, kitchen, car, and beyond. Water spots and dust don't stand a chance against this little machine. It blasts air at speeds up to 180 miles per hour, strong enough to dry your car or blow away leaves and dirt in seconds. A dial lets you adjust the power instantly, so you get exactly the airflow you need for the job. It's completely cordless, making it easy to carry around the car, house, or backyard. One charge from its built-in battery keeps it running for up to 80 minutes, and a light shows you how much power is left. It even doubles as a power bank in a pinch, giving your phone a boost when you're away from an outlet. Compact and portable, it's a handy tool to keep in your trunk. Stale chips are a thing of the past with this tiny tool. It seals bags shut in seconds, keeping snacks fresh and air out. There's no preheating needed. Just turn it on, slide it slowly across the bag, and you're done. It even has a built-in cutter for opening bags cleanly on the other end. Small enough to fit in your hand or a drawer, it comes with a magnet and lanyard, so you can stick it right on the fridge for easy access. It runs on 2 included batteries, so it's ready to go right away. Whether it's chips, bread, or frozen veggies, this little gadget keeps everything sealed tight and tasting fresh for longer. Seasoning your food shouldn't be a guessing game. This grinder set gives you 5 levels of coarseness, so you can go fine for soups or coarse for a good steak. Just press with one hand to grind, no twisting or fumbling needed. A built-in LED lights up your food so you can see exactly how much you're adding, even at night on the grill. Ceramic blades inside stay sharp for years, resisting wear far better than ordinary ones. The see-through design lets you check how much salt or pepper is left at a glance, so you're never caught off guard mid-meal. Powered by batteries, it's simple, mess-free, and ready whenever cooking calls. Laundry day just got a serious upgrade. This machine folds and irons your clothes automatically, taking a whole chore off your plate. Just load it up, and in about 4 minutes, it can fold up to 30 garments, neat and ready to wear. It even detects the fabric type, whether cotton, wool, or polyester, adjusting itself to treat each piece with care. A built-in steaming system gives clothes a light press, so they come out looking crisp, not just folded. It's simple enough that anyone in the family can use it, no manual required. Compact and modern, it tucks easily into a laundry room or closet. Once you try it, going back to folding by hand will feel like a step backward. Your toothbrush deserves more than just a cup on the sink. This wall-mounted cleaner not only holds your brush, but actively cleans and air dries it after every use. The LED smart screen shows you everything at a glance, from battery life to drying progress. It works with most brush types and installs easily using strong adhesive strips. With a 30-day battery life and fast charging, it's a sleek upgrade for any bathroom. Drying clothes just got smarter. This floor-standing tripod rack has 16 wooden poles and a spacious umbrella design for maximum airflow. You can hang, lay flat, or adjust poles to fit all types of garments. Solid beach construction keeps it sturdy, while the foldable design makes storage a breeze. Perfect for corners, walls, or anywhere you need extra drying space, it's stable, portable, and built to last. Keep socks, underwear, and small items organized without taking up drawer space. These wall-mounted boxes stick easily, no drilling required, and the clear window lets you see what's inside. Dust-proof covers keep everything clean, while the compact design saves room in bedrooms, bathrooms, or dorms. Each box is sturdy, easy to access, and perfect for tidying up small essentials. Practical, colorful, and versatile, it helps your space stay neat effortlessly. Small space? No problem. This narrow side table fits perfectly between sofas, beside beds, or in any tight spot that needs extra function. It's got 2 outlets and 2 USB ports built right in, so you can charge your phone, lamp, or laptop without reaching for the wall. 3 sturdy tiers give you plenty of room for books, drinks, or decor. Sleek, compact, and surprisingly useful, it's tiny but mighty. It's more than just a mirror, it's your personal beauty station. This swivel jewelry cabinet hides a full storage system behind its sleek, full-length mirror. Open it up and you'll find LED lighting, a lockable jewelry organizer, and even a charging station for your styling tools. The back shelves give you bonus space for makeup or accessories. It's elegant, functional, and turns your routine into a mini luxury moment. Spice up your kitchen and keep everything within reach. These 8 magnetic tins stick to any metal surface, so your favorite herbs and seasonings are always at hand. Each tin has a clear window to see what's inside, and 2 types of pour openings for easy use. Strong magnets keep them secure, while the included labels make organizing simple. Stylish, practical, and perfect for a clutter-free cooking space. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.